Right. My son tried to call you today. I think was the message. I've only just woken up. I've been global business last night. I thought I'd better call you because Cross Keys told him he has to call with me with him because of my rent account. But it's not on my rent account, I was told by a woman. And he's paying a private agreement to you, the landlords, which isn't part of my rent account. So he should be able to pay from the details the lady gave him, unless he's being messed about by the landlords playing games. We got to stay focused on this because there's other things going on that I'm keeping an eye on as well. He's trying to make a payment. Cross Keys are refusing to let him pay the payment. So I said, that's okay. I said, you focus on your bitch, son. You've got extended time to sort out Lola now. So you focus on that while I have a word with the landlords. Because Lola's got to have an op for licence compliance. She's here as a guest, remember, at my house. The landlords are fully aware of it, and the workmen have been in and out of the property with no problem. They've all seen what dogs are here. Landlords are aware of what dogs are here. They're all safe. I've got a part of my licence agreement. I've got to put up secure fencing, which I've already spoken to Cross Keys about. So bit by bit, we're going through the whole thing properly, seeing as the government are directing it all now. And the landlords obviously have to comply with that as well. So, I don't get set up and put in prison again. I don't want Cross Keys withholding evidence from court cases again now, do I? Like full complaint logs. You know what I mean? So I don't want no complaints about the way it's having to be done at the moment, because the government's directing what needs to be done first. I did warn Cross Keys about that, though, clearly, ahead of time. Did I not? I know you record for your training and monitoring purposes. So, I'm being very word specific today. He tried to make payment. Yes. Yeah, I know. I'm well aware of all the legal gubbins and all that. Seeing as he is my son, and I might need to employ a carer soon to help out with my disability status as it's getting worse, he should be able to be trusted as my son, that he's not trying to pull a fast one on my rent account, because he's not doing it from my rent account, is he? So there should be no legal games going on with wording, because he's trying to make a payment and make amends.
Essentially, in order for us to take a payment from anybody other than you,
yes,
a written authority on file for him, basically.
Oh, you need it in writing as well as a verbal contract using joinder. That's confusing for me.
Phone call. If you're on the phone call with him, we can take it verbally. If you're not,
Well, he was on the phone to you this morning. I'm just phoning up to confirm it. Is that not compliance? Sorry to bust your balls this morning, bro, but, you know, I'm speaking the truth here, aren't I?
Can you repeat what you said?
I said, sorry to bust your balls, mate.
No, not that, before.
Oh, sorry, I thought you weren't getting it.
So, essentially, in order for us to take a payment from your son...
Yes.
Or an authority to disclose on file if he calls without you present.
Yeah, he's at work, so he's trying to do things from work.
Understandable entirely, and like I said, it still doesn't mean that we can't...
Well, I don't work, I'm disabled, don't I? I don't work with my son, do I?
I don't know your situation, so...
Well, I'm in a disabled bungalow, come on.
So,
Clues in the bungalow status.
in order for us to take a payment from you, we
Yes.
need that on file, so would you like me to...
Well, he's not a file of any description. What are you saying? I'm not either.
Do you want me to post out the authority to disclose form?
No, it's all right, bro. I'm just confirming why my son called Cross Keys this morning.
Okay.
As per his verbal agreement with you last time, using Joinder. Is that okay?
It's fine that you've called us today, and obviously that's...
Okay, I did hear the lady in the background in your ear hole.
I'm just saying, do you want the form sending out? Because then I can put...
No, I don't need no forms. I'm already signing enough forms. I'll have Capita on my case soon as well, I should think. Trying to recruit me to their army for the government, won't I? But I'm disabled, unfit to work or serve.
So how can I help you today?
I've just explained it in a recorded phone call. By yourselves. In a nice, calm, assertive manner. I woke up happy this morning and, you know, my son phoned me up saying, look, Dad, this is what I've been told. I said, well, don't play their games then. Do what the government told you. Behave yourself. Be honourable in your contracts or you're breaking common law. Don't be devious in your contracts.
So, do you want to make a payment then relating to this or not?
What, now?
As part of... Yes.
I'm not going to phone him and disturb him at work. He's working hard. He tried to sort it out with you today and make a payment. You refused. Playing games as a company.
And as I said, because of data protection, this restricts us from being able to discuss that matter, because if we do take a payment from him, it would reference number...
Hang on a minute, bro.
That is not...
Hang on a minute, bro.
So, I'm sorry.
I'm not being aggressive.
Possible.
I'm not being aggressive or stressing, am I? Do not play word games, please, brother. I'm not falling for it. I'm not being antisocial, am I? In a recorded phone call. I'm speaking calmly and clearly, so your company understands what the position is now.
And the position is, from our point of view, is
yes.
We cannot take a payment without you present with your son, without written authority recorded on our end. Unfortunately, we do not have that, thus we were unable to take a payment from him this morning for that reason.
Okay, that's not a problem with us at all, bro. Are you happy with this conversation now?
I don't understand what you mean.
Well, your error.
As I don't feel this conversation is going anywhere, I'm going to terminate the conversation now. Thank you for
That's
listening.
no problem at all, brother. He's on the road to nowhere then, isn't he, that talking head? Where's my coffee? God, I haven't even finished my second coffee. Dealing with Muppets already. Oh, I'll best upload this video as proof, hadn't I? Ooh, dear. What do you reckon, Willow? What do you reckon, Lola? What do you reckon, Marnie? What do you reckon, Hulkster? We're all right. We're all so merry and bright. Windows open. Can't see no solar eclipse yet. Oh, well, no worries. Good morning, motherfuckers, or is it afternoon?